Here's my 1984 Husqvarna CR250. I just got done pretty much overhauling it. Out for its first run, running pretty good. Not too bad. Old vintage bike, dual shocker. 250 6-speed, but it sure does, it runs good. It runs real hard, real strong. Old Husky. Last year the twin shock, and what's odd is a twin shocker and it's water cooled. It's an oddball setup, but it's a cool old bike. Damn trees in the way. Sitting there idling, damn thing runs really good. Jetting's a little screwed up though. Jetting's a little rich across the middle. I think I got to change the needle jet in it. It's too big. Other than that, nice bike, runs good. Thanks for watching.